Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Recently I am doing more food videos. I will link all the videos down below. Because of the present situation, I'm not getting any motivation to do fashion video, but soon I will upload fashion video. Please do subscribe and like. The ingredients you need for chicken masala: 1 kg chicken and small bunch of fresh coriander leaves or 1 cup of coriander leaves, few curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 2 medium sized tomato, 2 medium sized onion, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon each ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Let's make chicken masala. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped, and add salt, saute till the onion turns brown or soft. Now add all the powder masala and saute it for 1 minute in a low flame. Then add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and add little water so that the masala will not stick at the bottom. Meanwhile, we'll make a coriander paste. This will give a flavor to this chicken curry. 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Here I am using a ginger garlic paste, but instead you can use 20 garlic cloves and 1 inch of ginger, and add water and make a fine paste. The masala has been cooked well and tomato has become soft. Add the coriander paste and close the lid. Let the masala cook for few minutes. You will get a good aroma when you add the coriander masala. The masala is cooked well. Add the chicken and mix well. No need to add any water. Check the salt. If required, please add. Cook it for a few minutes. Water from chicken has come out and you will get a good amount of gravy. 90% of chicken is cooked now. I am adding remaining garam masala, that is half teaspoon of garam masala, and mix well. Cook till your chicken is perfectly cooked. The tasty chicken masala is ready. This is good with roti, rice or pulao. Try this and please comment down below if you like it. Thanks for watching.